welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then hi, my name is Gauri and I post beauty and fashion related content on my channel. And if that's something that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel down below. My throat is super bad today. And yeah, also subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon and all that does. And now let's just begin with the video. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all flawless full coverage base routine. Yes, you heard that right, flawless full coverage base routine. So yeah, there are only two key ingredients. Two key things that you have to remember all the time when you have to do your full coverage base routine. Yeah, with that
let's get into the video.
So before starting off with your makeup, it is really important to clean your face and prep your skin. So I just washed my face using this vitamin C face wash from Mamaearth. It has turmeric and vitamin C. So vitamin C helps in combating photo aging and boost collagen production, and turmeric helps in controlling acne and helps in brightening your skin. So the texture you guys saw, it is really nice and it feels super soothing on the skin, and it's like a gel based formula which is so great, and it doesn't have that heavy fragrance, heavy scent. It is like very soothing on the skin and it cleanses your skin so nicely. And I've been using this product for like a week, I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, and it really helps you guys. If you are facing some sort of issues like pigmentation around your mouth area or anything like that, you can definitely give this one a shot. So the next step after washing your face is moisturizing, and for that I'm gonna be using this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes cream, and oh my god, I've been loving it so much. If you guys have any skin types, koi sa bhi skin type hai, oily, normal, dry combination, you can definitely give this one a shot. This moisturizer have mulberry extracts and turmeric, so I'm gonna take a little more. I'm gonna use this much amount and I'm gonna show you guys the texture. So yeah, it has mulberry extracts and it has daisy flower extract, it has licorice extract and vitamin C, which are like very good anti-aging and depigmenting agents. And yeah, it moisturizes the skin really nicely. I hope you guys can see. And it gets absorbed into your skin really nicely. It doesn't leave your skin greasy or anything. So I really like this, and even in monsoon season as well, it performs like really good. So this moisturizer helps in evening your skin tone. It gives like non-greasy glow on your face. It helps in reducing your dark spots, pigmentation, and it also do the spot correction as well, as you guys can see, and as you guys saw on my face as well. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Okay, also if you guys are facing few problems like pigmentation and spots, acne marks and active acne wala problem and blemishes and everything, so you can definitely try out this combo. Okay, because I'm personally gonna recommend you this combo because I have been using it and I've been loving their results. They both goes hand in hand, okay, to be very honest, because इन दोनों के जो ingredients हैं, they are like quite similar, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा help करेंगे आपको. Also, if you guys don't know about Mamaearth as a brand, let me tell you guys that Mamaearth is a all natural brand. Okay, it is free from all the unnecessary ingredients. In short, they are free from all the harmful chemicals which are like being all around, and they will gonna suit you definitely. But still I recommend you guys to do a patch test before using any product. कोई भी product हो, मेरा skin अलग है, आपका skin अलग है, तो please do a patch test. So guys, I'm feeling super happy and proud to announce this that Mamaearth has taken a great initiative. Whenever you buy anything from Mamaearth's website, उनकी website से जब भी आप लोग कुछ खरीदोगे तो आपके नाम का एक ट्री प्लांट किया जाएगा, and उसके बाद आपको उसका जियो लोकेशन और ट्री का स्पीशी और जो भी सब उसकी डिटेल्स है आपको सेंड किए जाएंगे, which is like so needed and is a great initiative again. And I'm super proud of you Mamaearth for taking up this decision and initiative basically. And you can also use my coupon code that is flashing over the screen to get some discount on their website. Remember, you can use this code only on their website, not on other websites or applications, so that you can save some money. And don't worry, I'm not gonna earn anything out of it. You can also buy Mamaearth's products from purple.com, Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. And for baby products, you can buy it from Amazon, Mamaearth and FirstTry.com. So yeah, do check out these products, link in the description box. So our skin is nicely prepped and hydrated and plumped and whatnot. So we're gonna move further, and that is using a primer. If you have super dry skin, you can definitely use a hydrating primer, but I'm not feeling that dry right now, I mean today, because Mamaearth products, they are like quite good. So I'm gonna use this primer. So now I'm gonna wait for like 10 to 20 seconds, so ये थोड़ा primer absorb हो जाएगा और layer पे layer नहीं होगा. And okay, now starting off with the makeup. If you have pigmentation like me, थोड़ा सा mouth area पे अभी हो गया, पता नहीं पहले इतना नहीं था, but since like few days it's like ऐसे ही. So always use a orange color corrector. If you don't have a orange color corrector, you can definitely use a dark tone का concealer or foundation just on that area only. So I'm gonna use this orange color corrector, just like tiniest bit. Okay, you don't want like कि पूरा orange नहीं करना है, you have to do like very lightly.
Just to blend it out, I am just gonna blend it out like this only.
Yeah, if you have like बहुत ज़्यादा वाले severe acne marks, you can always go ahead and use your green color corrector. But I don't have green color corrector. I don't really use it. पता नहीं मेरे को समझ नहीं आता green color corrector का scene. But you can always give it a shot. You have to set your orange color corrector very very lightly. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है, कुछ लोग सेट नहीं करते उसको, एंड जब इसके बाद यूल गना अप्लाई फाउंडेशन ना, तो फाउंडेशन के साथ मिक्स हो जाता है आपका ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर. उससे क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ऑरेंज सा लगता है आपका बेस, विच डजंट लुक गुड. लाइक ऑब्वियसली किसको अच्छा लगेगा. नाउ आई एम गोना यूज माई फाउंडेशन. सारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स का डिटेल विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो आई एम गोना टेक वन पम्प. सबसे मतलब बहुत कम से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है. आई एम गोना यूज अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज योर ब्रश. अगर आपको फुल कवरेज चाहिए ना, डेफिनेटली गो विद द ब्रश. सो आई एम गोना यूज द ब्रश ओनली नाउ. आई एम गोना टेक इट लाइक दिस एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना apply it on my face like this. ठीक है, now you don't need to do like this ऐसे नहीं करना है. you just need to dab and blend the foundation out. Also always remember to take your foundation down till your neck. अच्छा, मेरा neck का color and face का color is like बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट, और मेरे हाथ का कलर और फेस का कलर भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है. आई होप यू गाइज कैन सी द टैनिंग. बहुत ज़्यादा बेकार हो रखा है सिस्टम मेरा. ऑल्सो यू गाइज कैन सी आई एम टेकिंग माई फाउंडेशन अंडर माई आईज एंड ऑन माई आईलिड्स एज वेल, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट अ लेयर प्रोडक्ट्स. बिकॉज ये वाला जो मेकअप है, यू कैन ऑब्वियसली वेयर दिस इन द डे टाइम ऑल्सो. अभी आई हैव एक्ने स्पॉट्स एंड मार्क्स एंड एवरीथिंग, तो मैं बस ये वाला फाउंडेशन लगाती हूँ एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. आई कैन गो टू कॉलेज और एनीवेयर ऐसे ही. ऑल्सो इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ बन और समथिंग, टेक योर फाउंडेशन ऑन योर ईयर्स एज वेल. So now the foundation is done. I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna apply it here and here. ऐसे यहाँ पर you should be covering your inner corners and doing like this. इससे थोड़ा सा lifted effect भी आता है face पे. And I'm gonna apply it on the bridge of my nose, on the forehead, cupid's bow, and here. Basically on the T-zone and under the eyes. Also you can do like this too. Give structure to your face, some structure to your face, and I'm gonna blend it out using a beauty blender. And I'm done with my base. If you want, you can go ahead and do your cream contouring or anything like that if you like it. I'm not a huge fan of cream contouring day to day में, but yeah, this is the base. So the concealer I have used is like one shade lighter than my skin tone. I would say half a shade lighter than my skin tone, and it's quite yellow, so it did brighten up my under eye. Although I've used like very little amount because I had to kept it like every day, sort of a full coverage routine. So yeah, that's all. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna complete rest of our face and I'll be back. So guys, this is my final look. As you guys can see, the base looks super flawless, and yeah, that's my routine, you guys. The only key is blending and a nice skin prep, and that's all. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I know this video was like super short and super tiny, and I didn't got time to cover all the information. But if you guys like this video, so do let me know down in the comment section कि इसका कोई अच्छा डिटेल वर्जन चाहिए आप लोग को, तो I would love to do that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Also, if you liked these two products from Mamaearth, so you can buy these products. I'm gonna link everything down in the description box. I'm so sorry, I'm so stupid. So yeah, if you guys wanna buy anything, I'm gonna mention each and every product in the description box and their buying links. And yeah, so that you can enjoy and buy the products. And yeah, I hope you all found this video helpful. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Love you all.